Hello, welcome back to another math video. Today, pag-uusapan natin about logarithms. So, as a form of review, alam natin when we talk about logarithms, this is just the inverse of our exponents. So basically, all the rules and laws of exponents are applied or applicable when we are dealing with logarithms. So we have here an exercise. Evaluate each expression. So we are asked to evaluate this logarithmic expression, log of 81 with base 3. Now remember, when we are asked to evaluate a specific or a certain logarithmic expression, we are simply asked what will be the exponent of this base that will give us 81. Alright? So, first thing that you should do is always convert this one into its exponential form para mas madaling intindihin. Alright? So let's try to again rewrite this one into its exponential form. So we will write 3 equals 81. And again, sabi ko kanina, we are just simply asked what will be the exponent of 3 that will give us 81. So again, we are asked to find the exponent of 3 to make it 81. So this is now the exponential form of this logarithmic expression, log of 81 base 3. So to solve again this particular exponential equation, we are going to find or express 81 as base 3. And we know that 81 is just equal to what? 3 times 3 times 3 and times 3. So basically 81, or this is equal to 3 raised to 4. So we will have now 3 exponent x equals 3 exponent 4. And again, since the base are now the same, we are going to disregard the base and focus on the exponent. So we will have x is equal to 4. And that will be our answer. That's for number 1. Let's have number 2. Right? Let's have number 2. So again, we are asked to find the exponent of 6. That will give us 36. So in other words, this is just equal to 6 equals 36. And again, we are asked to find that exponent. And 36 can be rewritten as 6 times 6 or simply 6 squared. So we will have 6 exponent x equals 6 squared. Since the base are now the same, disregard the base and focus on the exponent. So we will get x is equal to 2. And letter A is our answer. Alright, let's have number 3. If you want to solve along, you can actually pause this video and then see if you will get letter A, that is equal to 2. For number 3 and for number 4, we should also get number 2 as well. Alright, so here is our solution. Again, we are asked to find the exponent of 2. That will give us 4. So in other words, this is just 2 is equal to 4. And again, what will be that exponent to make this expression or equation correct? And 4 is just equal to 2 times 2, or simply 2 squared. So we will write as 2 exponent x is equal to 2 squared. And again, the base are the same. Disregard the base, focus on the exponent. So we have x is equal to 2. So this is actually our answer. Number 4. Again, log of 49 with base 7. So again, what will be the exponent of 7? That will give us 49. So we have 7 is equal to 49. And we are asked to find this exponent here. And 49 is just equal to what? 7 times 7, or simply 7 squared. So we will have 7x, exponent x is equal to 7 squared. The base are now the same. Focus on the exponent. So we have x is equal to 2. And again, that is letter D. Alright? Now, how can we get the same results using our scientific calculator? So if you have your scientific calculator, actually this can be done using the calculator. Ito lang yung gagawin natin. In our calculator, actually we have there two buttons for log. So the first one is this, alright? If you click on this button, this is to be understood that the base is 10, alright? So again, this is to be understood. If you click this button, the base is 10. But in our example, the base are not 10, right? So we have 3. We have 3 here. We have base 6. We also have, ano pa yan? Base 2 and then base 7. So how do we again make use of our calculator to solve this particular logarithmic expression? So if you can see here, meron tayong other button for log. This one, alright? And this button is used if we are dealing with logarithms that whose base are not 10. So for example, ito, we have log of 81 base 3. So what we are going to do is click on this button and then write base 3 and then 81. So this should give us 4. Once you click equals, it should give us 4. Alright? So again, that is 4. What about number 2? Number 2 is log of 36 with base 6. So we have click equals. That is actually 2 as well. And the number 3, again, log of 4 with base 2. We have log of 4 base 2. This will give us 2 in our calculator. And then the last one, we have number 4, log of 49. Log of 49 with base 7. That will give us again 2 as our answer. Alright? Now, let's have number 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, the instruction here is to make use of use the calculator to approximate each to the nearest 1,000. So, meaning to say, pag sinabing 1,000, 3 decimal places. Alright? Now, let's try to approach this one using the same approach na ginamit natin from 1, 2, 3, and 4. Try lang natin. So again, basically we have log of 66 with base 6. So again, we are asked to find the exponent of 6 to make it 66. So this is equal to 6 is equal to 66, and again we are asked to find that exponent. If we are going to look at 66, it is hard for us to express this one as base 6, right? So basically, there is no whole number that will serve as the exponent to make 6 66, right? So mahirap. So ang gagawin natin, we are going to make use of our calculator, right? Yun yung silbi ng ating calculators. So ang gawin natin, wait lang for a while, where's my calculator? Alright. So in our calculator, we will input again log. Again, use this button because we are dealing with logarithms whose base are not 10. So again, click log and then base 6, 66. And then once you click equals, this will give you 2.338. And again, this is letter D in our choices. This is our answer. Right? The same is true with number 6. So we have log of 5.2 with base 2. So we'll have log of 5.2 with base 2. And then once we click equals, that will give us 2.379. Alright, 3 decimal places. So after 8 is 5, so that will become 9. So we have 2.379 as our answer. Let's have number 7 and 8. Number 7 is what? Log of base 5. Then we have 68. This will give us 2.622. Alright? After 1 is 7. So, round up tayo. So, magiging 2.622. And then for number 8, this will give us log. Again, when you are seeing only log without numbers here, this is automatic 10. Alright? That is just equal to log 2.6 base 10. So we will write base 10 and then 2.6. That will give us 0.415 as our answer. Alright? Now, try ko lang pakita. Again, automatic. Pag walang nakalagay na base sa baba, that is base 10 to be understood as base 10. So, try natin. Use this one. Again, sabi natin kanina, right, na this is this is base 10. So, click on this, log of 2.6. That will give you the same answer. 0.415. Alright? Now, common questions are, sir, paano if my calculator walang ganitong button? Alright? Paano kung wala? So, paano siya gawin? So, this is very common if yung calculator natin is old version. Alright? So, some calculators kasi walang ganito na button. So, paano siya gagawin? So, to solve this particular problem here, we need to make use of this concept, yung change of base formula. Sorry pangit yung penmanship ko. Alright, change of base formula. So, ano ba yung change of base formula? Ang sabi ng change of base formula, pag meron ka daw log of b with base a, you can actually make use of the base 10 to evaluate this particular expression. So, this is just equal to the log of b over the log of a. Na kung nakikita natin, wala akong nilagay na base dyan, right? Walang base dito. So again, that indicates that our base is actually 10. Alright? Delete ko lang yan. Alright? So try natin again using our calculator. So, yung number 5, ang sabi sa number 5, this is number 5, alright? Ang sabi dyan, we have log of 66 with base 6. Using the change of base formula, this is just equal to the log of 66 over the log of 6. And again, this will give us 2.233. That is 8 actually. Alright, 2.238. So, try natin using our calculator if that is really correct. So, we have change of base formula tayo, log of 66 over the log of 6. And again, that will give us the same result, 2.338. So let's try to have number 6. So number 6, change of base formula, we have the log of 5.2 with base 2. This is equal to what? Log of 5.2 over log of 2. And again, this will give us letter B as well. So let's try. So we have the log of 5.2 over the log of 2. As you can see here, we have 2.379, the same. Alright? So you can actually try the rest of the numbers 7 and 8. Alright? But then again, this will be the solution for that one. So we have log of 68 with base 5. This is just equal to the log of 68 over the log of 5. And again, this will give you letter C. Alright, letter C yan. And then, we have number 8. So, number 8 is very straightforward. We have log of 2.6. But then again, using the change of base formula, this is just equal to, again, the log of 2.6 over a log of 10. Kasi nga, walang number dito, right? So, again, that is base 10. So, again, this will give you letter C as the correct answer as well. So, that is all about evaluating logarithmic expressions.